we're doing the back seat of RailBlazer. And oh man, I gotta be honest, this ride is absolutely insane. Can never be prepared for how much airtime, twisty, turning goodness that these Rocky Mountain single rail coasters have. Seriously, some of the best rides out there. All right, get ready for it. We're coming up to the top of the lift. It's gonna start to go bonkers any second. Oh crap, oh man. Oh, I'm not ready for this. Oh crap. Oh man! Oh, that was so much airtime! Oh, what the hell? Oh my god! Oh wow! It is absolutely nuts! Oh, I don't even have time to scream or say wee or loop-de-loop or any of that stuff. Whew, I am catching my breath here on RailBlazer, because that is one hell of an amazing ride. Oh my god. Woo!